Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to protect sheets and workbooks in Excel. This is a very useful feature when you want to prevent others from accidentally changing your data or structure. We will cover step by step how to protect a worksheet and then how to protect an entire workbook. How to protect a worksheet. First, open your Excel file. Go to the sheet that you want to protect. On the top menu, click on the Review tab. Then click Protect Sheet. A small box will appear where you can set a password. Type your password, for example 1234. You can also choose what action are allowed, like selecting cells, formatting, or inserting rows. Click OK and confirm your password. Now your sheet is protected. Anyone trying to edit will get a warning message and they need the password to unlock it. How to protect an entire workbook? Go again to the Review tab. This time click Protect Workbook. A box will appear with the option like Protect Structure. If you tick this, no one can add, delete or rename sheets without the password. Enter a password and confirm it. Click OK. Now the whole workbook is protected. This means people can open it, but they cannot change its sheet structure unless they have the password. Extra tip: protect workbook when opening. You can also protect a workbook so that people can't even open it without a password. Go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. Enter your password. Now every time someone opens the file, Excel will ask for the password. And that's it. This is how you can easily protect sheets and workbooks in Excel with just a few clicks. Use these options to keep your data safe and prevent unwanted changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.